Hello everyone, welcome with a fresh topic. Today our subject is mathematics and the topic is places and place values. Okay, so ready to learn? Let's get started. Friends, we have learned how to read numbers with 5 digits, with 6 digits. Now in this video we are going to learn how to count the place values of each digit in the given number. For counting the place values, we should know all the places in the number. So let's see an example first. Here I am writing a number. Okay, so can you read this number? Let's count the digits first. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digits. This is a 7-digit number. So let's see which places are there. In every number, the last digit has the place. We call it unit place. Unit place is the place for the last digit in each number. Then no matter how many digits are there in that number, maybe it would be a 5-digit number, it would be a 4-digit number, 3-digit number, or 6, 7 or 8-digit numbers, the last place is always a unit place. Then the nearest place to the unit place, the left place, first left to the unit place is 10 place. 10 place. At the left of this 10 place, we have 100 place. Then again to the left, the place comes, that is a thousands place. Again coming to the left, we have a 10,000 place. Next to 10,000, the place comes, that is a lakh place. And before this lakh place comes 10 lakh place. So friends, these are the places in a 7-digit number, that is counting from the right to left, that is unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, 1 lakh and 10 lakh. If you observe these places carefully, then each place to the left is 10 times than the before place. For example, unit place is the last place. Unit means 1. If we multiply this 1 by 10, we will get 1 into 10, that is 10 place. If we multiply this 10 by 10, then we will get 10 into 10, that is 100 plus. If we multiply this 100 by 10, then you will get the next place, that is 1000 plus. In the same way, if we multiply this 1000 by 10, we will get 10,000. Then 10,000 into 10, that is 1 lakh. And the last place in this number, that is 10 lakh, 1 lakh into 10, we will get 10 lakhs. So it is very easy to guess the next place. We have to remember this one thing, that each place is 10 times than its before place. Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh and 10 lakhs. Friends, these places are very important for us, because whenever we have to count the place values, we should know the places exactly. So in this way we can count the places. After these places, we can count their place values. How to count their place values? Let's see. after this example? Friends, let's see how to count the place value of each digit in the given number. Let's see an example again. Suppose the example given is 15,23,468 is the given number. It is a 7-digit number. So let's see how to count the place values. First of all, we will write this number vertically. That means 1, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. The number is same, just we have written it vertically, so we can count the place values easily. So let's see how to calculate the place value. If we start from the bottom, that is the last digit, it would be easier. So let's see the place value of this 8. As we know, this 8 is at the unit place. So to calculate the value of this 8, we have to multiply this 8 by 1. 1, that is unit. So the value of this digit is 8 into 1. 8 ones are 8. Then comes 6. So after unit, the place is, as we know, 10 place. So 6 into 10, that is 60. The next digit is 4. 4 is at 100 place. So multiply this 4 by 100, we will get 400. Next to 4, the digit is 3 and the place is unit, 10, 100 and 1000 place. So multiply this 3 by 1000 and you will get 3 into 1000, that is 3000. After 3 comes 2. 2 is at 10,000 place. By multiplying this 2 by 10,000, we will get 20,000. Then comes 5. 5 is at 1 lakh place. So multiply this 5 by 1 lakh. And what will you get? 5 into 1 lakh, that is 5 lakhs. And coming to the first digit of this number, that is 1. 1 is at 10 lakhs plus. So multiply this 1 by 10 lakh, we will get 10 lakhs. So in this way, we calculate the value of each digit in this given number. Just one thing is important, that we should know the exact places of each digit. And the order is always same, that is the last digit has unit place. After unit comes 10, after 10 comes 100, then after 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh and 10 lakh. So if we multiply these digits by its places, we will get their place values. So easy, it's so easy to calculate the place value. Only one thing we have to do, that is we have to multiply the digits by its places and we will get the place value. So friends, in this way we can calculate the place value of any digit and any digit of any digit number also. So did you like this video? Do share with us, and for watching more such videos, subscribe our channel Scholarly now. Till then, take care. Bye bye.